How to use If PC Life Insurance Sweden properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. If PC Life Insurance Sweden is designed to protect your loved ones financially, but surprisingly, many policyholders misuse it in ways that limit its effectiveness. You won't believe how small mistakes can have big consequences. One of the most common errors is choosing the wrong type of policy. If PC offers term life insurance for specific periods and whole life insurance with lifelong coverage and savings growth, selecting the wrong type can leave gaps in protection or lead to higher premiums than necessary. Underestimating your coverage needs is another frequent mistake. Life insurance should cover mortgage payments, personal debts, daily living costs, and future expenses like education or retirement. Without adequate coverage, your family could face financial hardship if the unexpected happens. Failing to update beneficiaries is another critical misstep. Life events such as marriage, divorce, or the arrival of children require reviewing your policy. Ignoring this can delay payouts or create disputes over who receives the benefits. Optional riders are often overlooked. If PC provides additional protections, including critical illness cover, disability benefits, and accident insurance, these can offer essential financial support when life throws unexpected challenges your way. Lastly, many people don't fully understand the value of permanent policy features like cash accumulation and loan access. Reviewing your policy periodically ensures you're aware of premiums, growth potential, and tax implications. To maximize the benefits of If PC Life Insurance Sweden, choose the right type of coverage, ensure adequate protection, update beneficiaries, consider optional riders, and review your policy regularly. Taking these steps guarantees your insurance delivers real financial security when your family needs it most.